Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Brave browser entirely on Windows 11, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Brave browser entirely on Windows 11, first, click on the Start button located on the taskbar. In the Start menu, select Once in Settings, find and click on Apps in the left sidebar. In the Apps settings, look for Apps and Features. Scroll down the list or use the search bar to locate Brave browser. Once you find Brave browser, click on it to reveal the options. Select the Uninstall button that appears after clicking Brave browser. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you are sure you want to uninstall Brave. Click on the Uninstall button again to confirm. Wait for the uninstallation process to complete. After the uninstallation is finished, close the Settings window. Next, open the File Explorer from the taskbar. In File Explorer, navigate to the C drive, then select Program Files or Program Files, x86, based on your installation. Look for a folder named Brave Software. If you find the Brave Software folder, right-click on it and choose Delete. Now, to remove leftover data, navigate to the C drive again and enter the user's folder. Select your username, then locate the App Data folder. If the App Data folder is hidden, you may need to enable viewing hidden items in File Explorer. Within the App Data folder, open the local folder. Look for a folder named Brave Software and delete it if it exists. Once everything is deleted, empty your recycle bin to permanently remove any remaining files. To ensure all traces of Brave have been removed, restart your computer. After your computer restarts, Brave browser should be entirely uninstalled from your system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.